Investing requires a mix of strategy, patience, and knowledge. While experience is invaluable, learning from the insights of successful investors can accelerate your understanding of the financial world. Here's an expanded list of 15 essential books that every investor should consider reading. 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, often considered the Bible of investing. This book introduces value investing and teaches how to evaluate stocks and minimize risks. Warren Buffett has called it, by far the best book on investing ever written. Key takeaway: focus on intrinsic value and long-term growth while avoiding speculative behavior. 2. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Fisher emphasizes analyzing a company's management, product line, and potential for growth, making it a cornerstone for growth investors. Key takeaway: invest in companies with strong leadership and a durable competitive advantage. 3. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch shares his strategies for spotting winning stocks, highlighting the edge individual investors have in identifying trends. Key takeaway: invest in what you know and observe trends in your everyday life. 4. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. This book introduces the efficient market hypothesis and promotes passive investing through index funds. Key takeaway: diversify your portfolio and embrace low-cost index funds for steady returns. 5. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This bestseller emphasizes financial literacy, focusing on building assets and achieving financial independence. Key takeaway: invest in income-generating assets and prioritize financial education. 6. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. The Vanguard Founder's Guide to Investing explains why low-cost index funds often outperform actively managed funds. Key takeaway: keep costs low, invest in the market as a whole, and maintain discipline. 7. Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. While not directly about investing, this book explores behavioral economics and decision-making, crucial for understanding market psychology. Key takeaway: recognize and mitigate cognitive biases in financial decisions. 8. The Essays of Warren Buffett by Warren Buffett and Lawrence Cunningham. A compilation of Buffett's annual letters to shareholders, offering lessons on value investing, business principles, and long-term success. Key takeaway: focus on intrinsic value, invest in companies with strong fundamentals, and take a long-term view. 9. Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. A collection of interviews with successful traders, providing insights into different strategies and mindsets for investing success. Key takeaway: there's no universal formula. Find a strategy that works for you and master it. 10. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This modern classic explores the emotional and psychological aspects of investing and wealth building. Key takeaway: success in investing is more about behavior and discipline than technical expertise. 11. Margin of Safety by Seth Klarman. A rare and sought-after book, Klarman outlines the principles of value investing with a focus on minimizing risk and avoiding speculative bubbles. Key takeaway: always seek a margin of safety. Buy assets at a discount to their intrinsic value to protect against downside risk. 12. The Most Important Thing by Howard Marks. Howard Marks, a legendary investor, distills decades of experience into lessons about risk, market cycles, and contrarian thinking. Key takeaway: focus on managing risk, understanding market behavior, and making decisions based on fundamentals rather than emotions. 13. You Can Be a Stock Market Genius by Joel Greenblatt. This book dives into special situations like spin-offs, mergers, and restructuring, offering advanced strategies for value investors. Key takeaway: unique opportunities in the market often go unnoticed. Learn to identify and capitalize on them. 14. Fooled by Randomness by Nassim Nicholas Taleb. Taleb explores the role of luck and randomness in financial markets, helping readers understand the limitations of predictions. Key takeaway: acknowledge the role of randomness in success and focus on robustness rather than precise forecasts. 15. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Denko. This book profiles the habits and behaviors of wealthy individuals, emphasizing frugality and long-term planning. Key takeaway: wealth building is about disciplined saving, smart spending, and investing for the future. These books offer a mix of timeless investing principles, advanced strategies, and insights into financial psychology. Whether you're a beginner seeking foundational knowledge or an experienced investor looking to refine your approach, there's something here for everyone. Which book will you pick up next? Share your thoughts and recommendations in the comments.